Welcome to this vlog. In this vlog, we're going to look at update from two Acholi iconic figures, that is Dr. Odonga and Nicolas Opiyo, who is, all of them are lawyers, regarding the issue of Kiza Eron, the lawyer or the counsel representing Dr. Kiza Besigye, the advocate who was arrested yesterday at the military court-martial on claim that he made contempt of the court and has been sentenced to 9 months in jail. So the ruling of the court on this matter, let me request you to read for you this ruling. On the 10th day of December 2024, the accused counsel appeared before this court representing Colonel Dr. Kiza Besigye and another in above case UPDF GCM 040-2024. He expressed gross professional misconduct, and he was warned that such is contempt of court. He was taken through the laws that make it an offense for the conduct he exhibited and won. Today, the 7th day of January 2025, when the accused entered this court, he immediately confronted the court orderly that was guiding him where to sit, but instead started assaulting the court orderly and banging the angle bars of the entrance. The chairman of the court warned him of the misconduct, but he did not take heed, but instead worsened the situation by making more noise, being cheered by the audience. This court finds the accused conduct in contempt of this court and finds Kiza Eron guilty of the offense of contempt of court and is hereby sentenced to 9 months in prison to be served in Chichala government prison. So Dr. Odonga has disagreed with this ruling of the military court-martial. Odonga said the offense of contempt of court in common law is not meant for officers of court or advocates, but for non-officers. There are other ways of disciplining advocates, like removing license. The Ministry of Defense, UPDF, should urgently reconsider the conviction of Kiza Eron. Then he added, absurdity. Well, another notable figure, a Alur icon who also has refused or has rejected this thing, is a man by the name Nicolas Opiyo, who has been working so closely with the opposition, that is National Unity Platform. He also issued his statement regarding the sentence of Kiza Eron to 9 months in prison, totally disagreeing and saying the history should reflect on this. Well, Nicolas Opiyo, the General Court Martial Judge Advocate, threatened counsel Kiza Eron with imprisonment in a previous proceeding. He said, "You will join your client there," pointing at the dock. Today, when uniformed soldiers blocked Eron from accessing the bar, he walked up to him, raised his hand, and pushed him, mumbling some orders to the soldiers in the courtroom. He carried out his threat by sending a lawyer to the dock alongside his client, and finally, through his mindless funnels, imprisoning Eron for 9 months for contempt of court. The only people whose actions are contemptuous, unlawful, and shameful are the judge, advocate, and his enablers in that sham tribunal room. Let history reflect on this.